Hi there, Jai here, your Office 365 daily vlogger. Last week we spoke about Microsoft Stream and we've covered some of the basics of what is Microsoft Stream, the autonomy of Microsoft Stream, where we covered the core components of what encompasses the actual the application itself. We spoke about groups, we spoke about channels, spotlight videos. We looked at some of the artificial intelligence capabilities that are available through the product. So this week, let's start to dig a bit more deeper. We'll talk about storage limitations, and we'll talk about we'll look into some of the admin controls, and we'll also look into how to set up live events and so on. Anyway, today in this video, I just wanted to quickly cover about some of the limitations of Microsoft Stream. Not so from a functionality point of view, but some of the software limitations that you need to be aware of when you're dealing with Microsoft Stream. I see this question quite frequently on Google and also on some of the tech communities as well, where people ask about what are the storage limitations of Microsoft Stream. How big a file can be, and things like how many videos can I upload and things like that. So let's quickly cover some of the main limitations of Microsoft Stream in this video. So the maximum file limit is 50 gigabytes. So a single video can't be more than 50 gigabytes of size. That's one thing. And you can have any number of groups within Microsoft. But one thing to keep note of is you can't have more than 1,000 channels per group. So we've learned that a single group can contain multiple channels. Let's say you have a group for your IT team, and within the IT team you can have multiple channels, like say one for the software how-to videos, and the other for, let's say, frequently asked questions, or the support tickets and things like that. You can have a group for each of the category. You can have multiple categorizations of videos within your single group. So a single group in Office 365 or Microsoft Stream can only contain not more than 1,000 channels. So talking about channels, how many channels can you have in your tenant? You can have up to 10,000 channels within your Office 365 Microsoft Stream. And let's talk about storage. How much storage do you get when you sign up for Office Microsoft Stream? So by default, each Office 365 tenant gets half a terabyte of data, 500 gigabytes, and each user gets 500 MB storage as well. So every user who's got access to Microsoft Stream will get like 500 MB and like half a gigabyte, and then as a whole, Office 365 Microsoft Stream tenant itself will have 500 gigabytes of storage. There you have it, guys. That's a quick overview of looking at some of the main limitations of Office 365 Microsoft Stream, and we also spoke about the actual storage, the available storage itself. So if you want to know more about this quotas and limitations, there's actually a nice official documentation from Microsoft on giving you a breakdown of all the limitations with Microsoft Stream. So I'll leave that link in the comments below, and if you're interested, check it out. Thanks a lot, and stay back for more in-depth videos tomorrow. Cheers.